Alright, today we're doing a fitment on a Mach-e. This is the base model, the non-GT. This one I believe is a 21 or 22, but this will fit all the current gen of Mach-e's. S&S 279. Nice pretty red color. There's the front. Okay, and the bracket will go right in the middle there, right underneath.
Okay, good. Okay, so we're going to remove the center screw using a 7mm socket. Put that to the side. Then using the alcohol pad, we're going to clean right where the 3M tape is going to contact, which is right there. Clean that. And again, the 3M tape is designed to keep it just from rotating left to right, but the screw actually does all the securing. Okay, then using the 4.2 by 25, put that through the base plate, spacer on top, then remove the plastic film from the 3M tape, which sometimes can be fun. Come on. There we go. Alright, so then you want to start the screw. Kind of leave the front of the base plate hanging down a little bit so it doesn't allow the tape to stick quite yet. There we go. Get into the J-clip. And then, again, just kind of leave it a little bit loose till you get the front plate, and you're going to slide it in just to make sure that everything's perfectly straight before you tighten it up. I don't know why, but there we go. Okay. I'll look, Steve, and make sure that I'm nice and straight up and down and left and right.
Yep.
Okay. All right. So we look good there?
Yes.
All right. We'll go ahead and tighten her up. You can see it's going into a metal J-clip, so you can see I can snug it pretty hard. You can see that's pretty solid there. Rubber pads on the bottom. Be nice and centered. Yep, looks good there still. And there you go. Okay, alright, so then to go ahead and once you got the base plate on there, you're going to slide the front plate in there. We'll lock it into place, and that's it. We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then you just repeat for the other 3 screws. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. There we go, last one. Again, these don't have to be super tight because the nylon lock ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.